2.5 weeks on my holiday and I forgot to vlog the whole thing, sorry. So I'm just going to give you an update now and then I will keep filming for the rest of my trip. So basically we have done Paris, so we went to Paris for a few days, explored the town, walked so many kilometers everywhere, and then we went to a place called Loire Valley where I had my sister's wedding, which was huge. Really exciting weekend, so jam-packed with like events every single day. That was really fun. We then went to a place called Nantes for one night before we got our flight to Athens. So I finally visited Greece. This is my first time visiting Greece. I've never been before, even though I've got my citizenship in Greece. So we did Athens for a few days, which was a bit of a culture shock for me. I didn't expect it at all. Very sad to see lots of homelessness and lots of empty buildings. It was a bit sad for me to see that. But we are now in a place called Hydra, or Hydra for the Aussies. And it is beautiful. You can probably hear all the cicadas behind me and the nice blue and white buildings. So we are here for the week. So we did a few days with my sister's friends. Now we've got our family all together in this beautiful old school house. No air cons, it's very hot. But yeah, we have a secluded beach and we're just enjoying it. We had to get mules to bring our bags up to the house, which was crazy. I felt really sorry for them, but I found out they're treated really nicely, so that was really good. But yeah, excited to explore this beautiful area in Greece before we head off to Italy. So this island is meant to be known for having no cars. All you can do is walk around and look at this. What is going on? Okay. We're attempting to do a hike up to the monastery and we went half an hour in the wrong direction. So we still have about an hour to go, so we'll see if we make it before sunrise, but I don't think we will. We did not make it up the top, but we've got the sunrise here, so enjoy it from this view.
And then Venice. Booked out. So we're spending our last night in Rome. We did 2 days in Venice, which was awesome. Obviously a city full of water. So you had to get a water taxi everywhere, which was really cool. I loved Venice. It was really cool, like lots of beautiful shops and boutiques and Lots of amazing food. The Italian food, perfect. And then we headed off to Rome, and it has been so hot. It's been about 37 degrees every day from like 7 a.m. It's so hot. So we've really been struggling with that. We spent about, I think it's our 6th day in Rome now. Lots of touring around, lots of relaxing, which has been really good. And today we're spending our last day just eating food, going shopping, swam by the pool, and now we're just relaxing. I really enjoyed Italy. It was great. I probably spend more time in Venice next time than we did in Rome. It may have just been way too hot to enjoy everything, but it was still really cool to see everything. And the tours that we did, everything was booked out, so we couldn't get into the Colosseum unless we waited for hours and hours. The Pantheon we couldn't get in. Even though we dressed appropriately, we had our shoulders covered, our knees covered, still couldn't get in. But we got into the Vatican, which was pretty cool. And then, yeah, just really been enjoying relaxing and having some chill time before we head home. So Italy's been pretty strict with COVID things still. You still have to wear a mask, which is an FFP2 mask. It's very specific. You can't just wear whatever mask you want, like in Australia. So that's been really enforced, especially in Venice on the water taxis. A really cool thing we did in Rome was a food tour, and they gave us 20 different samples of different things, which was awesome. So good. The food was great. It was really specific of Roman things which we got to eat. Even one of the places we got to see that Action Bronson was also there, so I felt pretty cool. So that was delicious. I highly recommend doing a food tour if you're going to be looking around Rome. But yeah, the other things were just all booked out, so probably could have been a bit more organized, but I wasn't too fussed not going in, especially with the heat, all those bodies. No thank you. Just no. But I was able to do some shopping, which is awesome. Had a great time, feeling very relaxed. I really don't want to go back to 10-degree weather. It's gonna be awful. Yeah, so we're heading home tomorrow, so gonna be a long flight home, but I'm very excited to see my puppy. That'll be so good. I've really missed him, so it would be really nice. We've been getting daily updates though from Carl's parents on what he's doing. Not really looking forward to going back to reality, but very much enjoying seeing him and the family. And yeah. Thanks so much for joining me on this vlog that was half of my trip. I'm really excited to get back and get into some crafting videos. I've got a few ideas coming up. So hope you enjoyed this. I'll vlog the flight home, but I'll probably say goodbye now. So I will see you next time. Bye!